I'm going to do first is I'm going to go ahead and cut the meat up, because sometimes, guys, when you do it, the sizing that they have at the deli is sometimes too big. So I'm going to go ahead and cut it to where I think it'll be good to fit right on the sliders. So go ahead and get those cut, get your meat cut, and I'll come back to you guys, okay? And I like to cut my meat, y'all, with scissors. It makes it so much easier. Try it. Okay, now we'll go ahead and cut the chicken. Again, cut it to your liking, but I like to kind of cut it like kind of square the way the actual rolls is, because when you do it like that, you don't have to worry about falling all off, the meat falling off and stuff. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and get that salami done, and I'll come back. And what I'm gonna do, guys, I'm gonna probably make about 4 per person, because you don't have to make a whole bunch of sliders, but you know, enough to get you guys full. So I'm gonna go ahead again, cut this up. And doing this to me also makes you not have so much meat. Don't get me wrong, it's good to have meat, but you don't have to have so much meat. So, okay. So here is the meat I'll be using. Again, we got the salmon right here, got the chicken right here, and got the ham right there. So let's go ahead and get those rolls together. Okay, here we go with the rolls. Like I said, I'm gonna do about 4 per. And I probably will only eat 2, but I'd rather have too much than not enough. And then I might make even more, but let's go ahead and put these on here. I'm gonna go ahead and get them, I'm gonna tear them open also, okay? I love these rolls, y'all. They so good. If you have not tried these, try these. What are you waiting for? They are so good, y'all. It tastes good on everything, even some eggs. Like one time I made an egg sandwich with it. It was also good. So I'm gonna put as much as I can be able to get inside of here. I'm gonna go ahead and get it cut. Go ahead and cut it just like this. You know, just cut it so it can have a top and a bottom. And I don't cut it all the way off, cut it halfway. Okay, guys, I got all the ham on. I got that sectioned off because some of it is my husband, some of it is mine. I'm gonna go ahead and put some cheese on it. And see how I told you cutting it up, the ham, the meat makes it so much easier and it lays so much better. Okay, now guys, I'm about to add this cheese to it right here. I thought I had some white American, but I don't. Whatever cheese that you have, and go get some different cheese. Unfortunately, I forgot because I like Havarti, I like cheddar, whatever you like, but I'm gonna go ahead and use these, okay? And what I do, guys, is I actually tear this in half and I put it on my slider. Again, I hate the type of sliders when they just everything slide off. You don't want it to be like that. So if you make things small to the actual sizing, you won't have that problem. So again, just tear it right in half, and that's a good amount of cheese. And guys, a quick tip, the way to be able to do the cheese, let me show you. Just open it up and lay it this way because it closes better versus laying it this way. Put it right on top. Scoot that over a little bit and put that top right on there. Now we're gonna put it in the oven, y'all, for about maybe 7 minutes. Just check it. We're just letting the actual cheese get melted. And you see how easy that is, guys? Like I said, fill this all up if you want to, but we don't wind up eating it. So I'm not gonna fill it all up. But if you do, go ahead and fill up every last one of them. You wanna use all of them because I still got 4 left. And we can always go back and do whatever. But here we go, guys. Quick and easy meals. Again, if you like these meals, go ahead and subscribe and like now, okay? And if you have cooked some of my meals, because you know I got a lot of meals out there, whole playlist, I'm gonna include it. Let me know, guys. Okay, guys, put your oven on 350, and like I said, we're gonna time it for about 7 minutes. Check it to see if it's melted in 7 minutes. If not, give it another 2 minutes. Don't give it too much because you're not trying to cook those rolls and make them super hard, okay? Oh, wait, guys, I forgot the tomatoes. Let me go ahead and add the tomatoes, y'all, to my hubbies. And guys, I'm really not a tomato person. What I like to do actually is grill the tomatoes. Grill the tomatoes in a skillet with some Pam, and it tastes really good. That's what I'm gonna do versus just laying it on top. Okay, I put some Pam in there. Go ahead and put some Pam in there. We're gonna put those tomatoes in there. And guys, like I said, I like my tomatoes grilled. So I'm going to let them grill for just a little bit, just to get them a little soft, just like you do onions. I like my onions grilled. I know, yeah. I'm such a I'm such a stickler. But let me go ahead and get these warmed up, y'all, and I'll come back and put them on the sandwich, okay? And what I'm about to do now, guys, is go ahead and get everything cleaned up. You know, we clean up as we go, and then we'll be putting the butter inside of the in this actual bowl, adding letting it get warm, add a little parsley, and then we'll add a little bit of garlic salt too. Okay. Guys, if you don't like regular tomatoes, try them grilled. I'm telling you, I know you'll like them because I don't like them regularly. It's just something about them grilled, and I only eat them on sandwiches. Listen to that sizzle. Do you grill your tomatoes? Comment below. Okay, guys, now again, you put your butter inside of the bowl, and then you add your parsley, and then you add your garlic salt, and then put it in the microwave. And then that's what we're going to be putting on the actual rolls. Oh, they're going to taste so good. That's what we're going to top it off with. So, guys, this is what I do, and then put it in the microwave for maybe about a good 20 seconds. Just check it. Keep it in there until it's nice and melted, probably about 20 seconds or more. Just check it. And make sure, guys, you turn it over. Okay, you want to do both sides. They ready. Now I'm going to go ahead and put them on the slider. I'm going to put them on mine too. I'm gonna be cute and put them on mine too instead of be a plain Jane. Just put it right on top. Or on the bottom, whichever one you want to put it, okay? Guys, they're ready for the oven. Take this time while they're going in the oven to go ahead and get everything all cleaned up. We're going to do 7 minutes in the oven. I'm sorry, about 5 minutes in the oven. Check it, see if the actual cheese is melted, because that's all you're doing really, guys, is just melting the cheese, okay? Don't cook it too long. Hey guys, they are fresh and hot off the oven. Okay guys, here is the butter. We're going to stir the butter around, and now we're going to put it on the top of the sliders. And it's really best, guys, if you have garlic powder, so you don't got to worry about it being salty. But I just put a little bit of garlic salt in there. And now I'm about to spread it all on the top of the sliders. Okay. We'll just put that right on there. You don't got to use a lot. Just put it right on top. Right on top. Just give it a cute look. And when I say, guys, these are so good. They are so good. So you guys have to try them. If you do try them, please let me know. Make sure you hashtag me in there or just let me know. Okay, subscribe for more. Bye, guys. You want some? Mm-hmm.